Ladies and gentlemen, as we speak, the President of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, has issued a directive that every Ghanaian within this country, on this day as we speak, we are all supposed to, clean up the city of Greater Accra. Yes, the city of Greater Accra. I'm with the Basto Boys, Kantanka to Mobile. We are with the Basto Boys today to clean the city in front of Ghana Broadcasting Corporation. As part of that, and as part of our social corporate responsibility, we've contributed or we've distributed or donated 2 of our Kantanka Boafo to them. How is this going to benefit them? We are going to speak to them and for them to share with us how this is going to benefit them, how happy they are. Guys, if this is your very first time chance my video, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, get notified of every YouTube upload right here on Kojosafo Studios. Once again, my name is Nana Kojosafo. I'm with the Basto Boys, all the way from Kantanka Automobile. How are you doing?
I'm doing great.
Okay, so let me ask you a question. How does it feel that today Kantanka has donated these 2 Kantanka Boafo to support everything that you are doing for Mother Ghana?
Guys, you know, Basto Boys, we all say the environment is our only home, and we started this 3 years ago, and to be frank, this month is the month we are celebrating our 3rd year anniversary of being into existence. And we
wow.
Yes.
3rd year,
yes.
3 years. We've been doing this consistently for 3 years.
Yes, and
okay.
We do have 4 branches across the globe. Across all the 16 regions, and we wanted to, expand.
Okay.
So with these 2, I learned it's called Kantanka Boafo.
No, not Obuafo, Kantanka Boafo.
Kantanka Boafo, yes. Yeah. So it's really going to help a lot, because at the end of this month we are heading to Kumasi to activate our branch over there, and with this tricycle it's really going to help us and the team over there to do a great work, because Greater Accra we do have 3 tricycles already, and this is the next one in line we had now.
Okay, now let me ask you this question. You see, we have so many people that have heard of Basto Boys.
Oh, okay.
People from Ghana, Nigeria, all over Africa, people all over the globe. But there are still a lot of people out there who don't know Basto Boys. In 1 minute, tell me, what do you guys do? What is Basto Boys? Introduce yourself. What is Basto Boys? What do you people do?
Okay, so Basto Boys is a group of organization, or it's an NGO with many individuals, or should I say many professions in here, with a common goal to make sure our country looks clean and serene through volunteerism, patriotism, and selflessness. So you can see we do have immigration officers, doctors, lawyers, teachers, in fact a whole lot. Okay. I personally am a student in accounting, and I'm also here to join the team. The goal is simple. A nation building is a collective responsibility. Due to that, Basto Boys, we have come together to help build a better country, because in the next 50 years, in the next 30 years, we are the face of the country. So if there is a saying in Akan say, we are the next in line, and yes, we need to cater for the earth, so that in the next few generations to come, they will be like, oh yes, there were a group of people known as Basto Boys. They were making the country clean, because as you just said, Kantanka has been a source of inspiration to us, because from his words, from his thoughts, from his teachings, Basto Boys came into existence, because he said service to mankind is service to God. So because of service to mankind is service to God, that's why we came across Basto Boys. I joined. I'm not the founding, You are not the founder? Yes, I'm not the founder, but through Kantanka West, I joined.
Okay. Guys, he made a statement about something. Service to God or service to mankind is service to God. Currently, it is service to God and nation is service to God. A service to mankind and nation is service to God. That is the motto of Christos Affirmation of Ghana. This guy, he is a member of Christos Affirmation. In fact, you are not a member. You are not a member of Christos Affirmation. Yes. You are what?
I'm a member of Basto Boys.
So he had his inspiration from the one and only Professor Emeritus Apostle Dr. Engineer Kojo Safo. And this great man has instilled this, patriotism, this selflessness, this volunteerism, this art of giving. The reason Kantanka Automobile, we are here today to donate these two Kantanka Boafo. On the screen, you could tell that they are using one to, collect the refuse or rubbish to dump it. This is what we do. This is the Kantanka Boafo.
It's a happy day. And yes, I was going to do France and you'll be everything I say. And it's a happy day because, bro, we are receiving amazing support from none other, but of course, the man whose words motivated us to do what we do. I'm talking about the late Apostle Dr. Engineer Kantanka. The man who said service to mankind is service to God. And it's something that personally I believe so much because, bro, if I fall today, it takes a man to raise me up. And it is also true that whatever service you want to render to God, you should first of all render it to mankind. And today, as you can see, this amazing, is it tricycles, yes, bro, they have 4 tires basically. And all of it is for the Basto Boys. But before you take my words for it, let me go to GM. So he tells us exactly what is happening and why today. Say welcome. This is Basto Boys and our cherished followers and listeners.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Today has been a great day. On behalf of management and staff of we wish to present to you the keys to these 2 quadricycles. Normally called quad bikes. You use this in your day-to-day operations.
Wow. That's quite amazing. Thank you very much.
I didn't come here to market our vehicle, but the truth of the matter is, if this is the very first time chancing on my video and watching the Kantanka Boafo, guys, the Kantanka Boafo is going for a cool 65,000 Ghana cedis. You can use this for your industrial work. You can use this for, people working in the recycling industry, people working in construction, people working for water, pure water services, in fact, sachet water, in fact, so many other things. The Kantanka Boafo has 350cc 4-stroke single cylinder engine. It has this roof over it with 1.5 ton load capacity, 65,000 Ghana cedis only. I didn't come here to market, but the truth of the matter is, if you are interested, you can hit my personal business line on 054-746-2581, or you call the official number of Kantanka Automobile on 0242037429. Guys, this is a massive collaboration between Kantanka Automobile, Basto Boys, and other companies, including Ghana Broadcasting Corporation, as part of the President's directive to clean the city of Accra. Once again, my name is Nana Kojo Safo. It's a pleasure doing this with you. Say bye.